Good morning to all. Myself Jasmine and I study in 2nd. Today we are going to learn about volume. So what is this volume? So this volume is the another name of capacity. So now you ask, what is this capacity? So capacity is the space that occupied by the thing. You can say containers. We use two measurement to measure the capacity, and you can say volume, which are liter and of course milliliter. Milli and liter. Now you ask, what is the special thing about these liter, this liter and this milliliter? What is the special thing? So the special thing about this liter and milliliter is that, so let me raise it and then I will write it. 1000 milliliter, and the short form of milliliter is ml, equal to 1 liter. The short form of liter is L. We write only L to say the liter. And when 2000 ml equal to 2 liters. So now let's move on. So now you have a question, is that why we can only fill the water in the 3D shapes? Why we cannot fill the water in 2D shapes? Let me tell you. We can only fill the water in object, and object have 3 dimensionals. Now let me tell you more about it. So now what is the full form of this 3D? Why the name is this 3D? So the full form of this 3D is 3-dimensional. Three-dimensional. That's why the name is 3D, because the full form is 3-dimensional. And now let's move on. So one more thing, 3D shape have 3-dimensional with depth, and we can only fill the water in object that have depth. Now what is the full form of 2D? Why the name is 2D? So the full form of 2D is 2-dimensional. 2-dimensional. That's why the name is 2D, because the full form is 2-dimensional. That's why I had told you that any object has 3-dimensional, and Because 2D shape have only two-dimensional, that's why we cannot fill the water in 2D shapes, and we can fill the water in 3D shapes. So I think you should clear with this question. So now let's have another question. Why do we only fill? How we compare the capacity of the thing? It is looking like curiously, yeah, and so interesting. Let me tell you. So let's take, you have to compare the capacity of two containers. So first container is like this. And another one container is like this. Now, for comparing the capacity of this and this, we use a small cup of 250 ml, and you can say so on. Like I had used of 250 ml. But here, it is of 250 ml. I'm making it 250 ml. It is 250 ml. Now I am going to fill this cup with water. I filled this with water. Now what I am going to do, I am going to pour this one cup in this one container, in this one big container. Now let's take as this container is full, like over here. Now one more time I will fill this with water. Now it can full like over here. One more time. So it is fully completed, and the water is fitted, all the water. So now we had counted that 3 cups are fit in this big container. So let me write 3 cups, okay? Now this cup is of 250 ml. So finding the exact capacity of this, we plus 250 3 times, because we had filled 3 cups. So we plus 250 ml 3 times. So I am going to plus over here 250 ml. One more time, 250 ml plus 250 ml. The question is like this, yeah? So, first let me write ml over here, okay? Now what is 0 plus 0 plus 0? Of course it is 0. And 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So 5 over here and 1 will be carried in the 100 place. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2, of course it is 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. So we got the answer, the exact answer. The exact answer is 750 ml. Means this is of, let me write 750 ml. It is of 750 ml. So now let's check big container. So for that, again I fill this 1 cup with water. Then I pour this small cup in this one, in this big container. Let's see, guys, this is fully over here. Then I pour one more time because it is not filled. Or it is like this filled. Then one more time. And I go and go on. Now it is full. It is so big than this one small container. So we had counted that this is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cups. So I was writing 5 cups. Now you know that we plus 250 5 times. So let's plus 250 plus 250 plus 250 and plus 250. Now this is so hard to do. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Of course it is 0 because 0 is coming so many times. And now we have 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, it is 25. So 5 over here and 2 will be carried. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Of course it is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So it is, answer is 12. So it is 1250. It is, you can also find the liter in it because we have learned that 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So it is 1000, 1 liter and 250 ml. So we write over here 1 liter, 200 and 250, of course, ml. So I think you should clear with this also. How to compare the weights. We can find the capacity like this and then compare it. So I think you should clear with this volume. So thank you for watching this video and have a cheerful year ahead. And if you want any improvement in me, you just comment it in the comment box. Thank you.